Leon, it's great to have you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me, Mike. Excited, and as you mentioned, it's going to be what we expect to be another record year for Nucor.
Yeah, so certainly you're on track for that in terms of a record year. Very strong results in the third quarter, though you did, offer guidance that there was going to be a step down in the current quarter due to some, broader economic headwinds, I guess. How are things tracking? I mean, what are you seeing in your end markets that give you a sense of just how the economy is performing at the moment?
Look, I think there's obviously we're not immune to inflation and watching what's happening with interest rates and federal policy in terms of monetary policy. But there's a number of tailwinds as well as we close out the year and go into 2023, including automotive expected to be up about 1 million units in 23 over 22. We see some meaningful infrastructure bill really take shape in 2023. The CHIPS Act. Which again, well, is a $55 billion investment. And roughly that translates to right now, there's about 27 or 28 projects over the next 7 or 8 years that'll be built. And again, not only do we use the chips and our end users use them, but Nucor is also going to be supplying the steel that goes into building that infrastructure. So there's an awful lot of tailwinds as well as we walk into 23 that we're excited about.
Yeah, certainly seems like there are long-term tailwinds. There are, long-term sources of demand with a lot of capital projects going on. You think that those are going to manifest, the infrastructure bill and perhaps the CHIPS Act, in terms of steel demand in 2023 already?
Yeah, we absolutely do. And I think the other piece of that long-winded tale that you mentioned, and you know this well, Mike, but not all steel is created equal, right? Nucor is the largest recycler in the Western Hemisphere. And so as you think about how we make our steel, it's all by recycling. And so that opportunity with a near net zero steel to our end users and our customers offers a unique competitive advantage to Nucor that supplying the safest and most sustainable steels anywhere in the world. So we're excited about the opportunity to continue to provide that differentiated value. And I do think it takes meaningful shape in 23 and beyond.
It's interesting because you see things like, auto production is kind of stuck below what you might consider to be more normal levels domestically in North America. Yeah, I'm looking at some other large kind of mineral and resource stocks that serve the globe, and it seems as if they're kind of waking up. Is that an expected China demand pull coming? And what do you see happening globally that could be a help or a headwind?
Yeah, look, I think, again, the U.S. is the strongest economy in the world, and I think the resiliency of our economy is strong. As your last guests were on, we see this sort of same thing. If there's a slight pullback in 23, we don't see that being protracted. But at the same time, Mike, Nucor is positioned for the long term. We have the strongest investment grade rating in our industry. We've got over $3 billion of cash and short-term investments on hand. We've been offering a dividends for 50 years now. And so our positioning strategy is for the long term. And I think that bodes very well because ultimately the green and digital economies of this nation and beyond are going to be built with steel, and the steel that they get built with matters. And so we're excited about that opportunity in our future.